Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is acknowledgement. 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 Acknowledgement is a noun that refers to the act of recognizing or accepting the existence or truth of something, often with gratitude. It can also indicate a formal statement or gesture expressing appreciation or recognition. Here are some examples. Example number 1, your prompt acknowledgement of our email is greatly appreciated. Why acknowledgement is used in example number 1. Acknowledgement is used to express appreciation for confirming the receipt of an email. Example number 2, the CEO received an acknowledgement from the industry for outstanding leadership. Why acknowledgement is used in example number 2. Acknowledgement signifies recognition of the CEO's exceptional leadership. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.